The Blériot VIII was a French pioneer-era aeroplane built by Louis Blériot, significant for its adoption of both a configuration and a control system that were to set a standard for decades to come. The previous year, Blériot had experimented with a tandem wing design, the Blériot VIII, then built another aircraft, the Blériot VIII, in which the rear wing was somewhat smaller than the front wing. In the Blériot VIII, he reduced the size of the rear wing yet again, to the point where it was no longer contributing much in the way of lift, but had become the horizontal stabilizer. More novel was his adoption of a single control stick that would control both roll and pitch, while the rudder was controlled by a horizontal, centrally pivoted bar swung by the pilot's feet. A similar control arrangement for roll and pitch control had been incorporated into an aircraft the previous year by Robert Esnault-Pelterie, but the Blériot VIII was the first use in a single airframe of the combination of hand-arm-operated joystick and foot-operated rudder control that is in use to the present day for the basic format of aerodynamic aircraft control systems. Blériot found that the new aircraft flew very well, and for the first time he had sufficient control to fly in circles. He could also keep it aloft for up to 8 minutes at a time. During the course of 1908, he modified it a number of times, calling the first major revision the VIII-bis and the next the VIII-ter. With this aircraft on June 29, Blériot claimed the second of 3 prizes being offered by the Automobile Club de France for a flight with an altitude of 200 meters, 660 feet. Longer and longer flights followed. On October 21, he made one of 7 kilometers, 4.3 mi, and 10 days later flew 14 kilometers, 8.7 mi, cross-country from Toury to Artenay, and flew back again. Specifications: VIII-ter. General characteristics: crew, 1 pilot. Length, 7.50 meters, 24 feet 7 in. Wingspan, 8.50 meters, 27 feet 11 in. Wing area, 22 m2, 237 ft2 performance. References. Notes. Bibliography. Crouch, Tom, 1982. Blériot VII, The Story of a Classic Aircraft. Smithsonian Institution Press. Pages 21 and 22. ISBN 0-87474-345-1. Elliott, Brian A. 2000. Blériot, Herald of an Age. Stroud, Gloucestershire, Tempest. ISBN 0-7524-1739-8. Taylor, Michael J. H. 1989. Jane's Encyclopedia of Aviation. London, Studio Editions. Page 161. DeVoe, Jean and Michel Morani. Les Deux Premiers Aeroplanes de Louis Blériot. Pegasus No. 54, May 1989. External links. Nova, A Daring Flight. earlyaviators.com